ever wondered why sometimes we clash so much with the males? Well, there's actually a reason before it, and it's as simple as we are just designed to be completely different, as if Mother Nature is playing a cruel joke on us both. This video is going to help you understand the things that guys wish we knew more about. It could be their behaviour, the reason why they say certain things, or how you should react in certain moments. So without further ado, let's dive straight into the video of things that men wish all women knew. Like and subscribe and stay tuned. When he stops talking. I get it, when a guy has this kind of clocked out reality face, we don't really know what's going on. When our girlfriends stop talking in conversations, it's a sign that they are not happy and they're dealing with some emotional turmoil. So when we see a man just staring into space, minding his own business, not saying a word, naturally we think, what are you thinking about? Is everything okay? When in reality, he wants you to know he's literally thinking about nothing, but he's still enjoying his time with you. It's okay to make the first move. Maybe you feel it's a little bit sleazy to make that first move because maybe you think he's going to judge you. In reality, he could be super nervous and unable to really figure out if you like him enough. So please, for all the guys out there, they want you to know, make that first move. That could be asking for his number, going in for the kiss, or approaching him at the bar. Not saying anything. Guys do not have the emotional intelligence that us ladies have. It's true, but they are a little limited in the empathy section. Sometimes they don't say anything and it comes across as hurtful and insensitive. Let's say, for example, you are upset about something. When in reality, men want you to know that sometimes they don't know what to say in the moment to comfort us, so they don't say anything or they crack a joke to make you feel better. Just because a man has gone quiet during an argument doesn't mean he doesn't care about you. It means he doesn't know what to do or say. Guys want you to know that they love compliments too. Cosmo and Disney has made us ladies feel like we should be demanding compliments all the time. We need to be told how amazing we look. And yeah, that's true, but men aren't getting any attention here. Men will gush over the smallest of compliments. So if your man looks great in his new sweater, tell him. If his new haircut looks amazing, tell him so. Don't just compliment his looks. Whilst we are on the subject of compliments, men want to be appreciated for everything else they have to offer. Maybe you like how helpful he is with the chores. Then you tell him that you're grateful for it. Does he always choose the best films? Then tell him so. His need for alone time. This one kind of hit home to me when I found out about it. Because, well, guys just need their own space. They need a man cave. Women de-stress by talking. When we're upset, we call our friends and our family and we explain in heavy detail how we feel. But for guys, it's different. When they are angry or upset or stressed, they just want their alone time. And in this time, they don't want to talk. They want to get their head stuck into something else to take their mind off the problem. It could be playing a game, fixing the car, watching the news. He wants to find a solution to another problem to avoid dealing with that bigger issue at hand because he doesn't quite have that complex process to deal with it just yet. They cannot mind read. This is a big request from men. They want us to tell them what's wrong, otherwise they will never figure it out. So drop the passive aggression, ladies. Stop dropping hints that you think are obvious, but to a man, they aren't. If you are stressed or upset about something, you need to tell him directly and why it is you're stressed. He will never be able to figure it out, so save your time and your energy. He doesn't always want sex. Despite what the media says, men think about sex every 7 seconds. Well, it's not true. Sometimes a guy is tired and doesn't want a session in the sheets. That does not mean he's falling out of love with you or finds you unattractive. It literally means he is tired and would rather sleep. Now I get it, the media has lied to us. We have been made to believe that guys are ready to go in any second, when in reality, they are sometimes too exhausted to do that dance under the sheets. The less makeup, the better. Men actually prefer you to wear much less makeup. And of course, it's factual that us girls, we don't put on makeup for the boys. We do it to make ourselves feel better. However, this is permission to not worry over your looks around a man. If you feel that you need to wear tons of makeup to look better and to feel comfortable around him, Well, why not try wearing less makeup? You will find he actually finds this more attractive, and you spend less money on makeup, and, well, it just makes everyone happy. They do not want to pick your outfit. Men hate having to choose between this black dress with the thin straps, or maybe this black dress is a little bit tighter, but it's got thicker straps. What do you think? Sadly, they have no idea what looks great and assume everything you wear is going to make you look beautiful. So men want you to know they really have no idea what to say when you give them the questions, which one do you like more, babes, this or that? They are nervous on first dates too. We kind of expect the guys to make that first move and put in all of the effort on the first date, otherwise it means he's not good enough for us. But we never really stop to wonder how he's feeling. A guy on a first date feels just as nervous as you, so please take this into consideration. You do not need to like everything he likes. A guy which prefers you to just be you. He doesn't want you to change for him. Remember, we are talking about the high value guys here. He is not expecting you to like everything that he does, so please don't feel obliged to sit and watch a sports game with him or drink the beer that he likes. For sure, he will appreciate it when you make an effort, but don't be that person that you are not. They hate nagging. Men are so turned off with nagging that it makes them dread any conversation with us if we nag all the time. Do so with a, "I'm sad because of your actions," instead of the, "Why didn't you do this? I've already told you 3 times now." Trying to make them jealous. You may want to raise the heat in a relationship to test the strength of the commitment and test his feelings for you to make sure he knows that he could actually lose out on a bombshell like you. However, this is not the way to do it at all. And trying to make him jealous by flirting with someone next to him, well, of course it works. He's going to feel jealous. You get what you wanted. But the guy wants to have you all for himself, so therefore it creates a sense of mistrust and it can actually lessen his attraction to you in the long run. Guys want you to know to stop competing with his friend group. Guys value their time differently with you and his friends. You can't always provide a guy with everything, which is why he needs his bro time. And every man wants every woman to not get jealous over him spending time with his friends. In fact, they are more attracted to you when you have no problem with them seeing their friends often, and they encourage you to do the same with your friend circle. Offer to split the bill. This can be reserved for the first date or even the 15th. Men love to cover the whole cost of a bill, however they want you to at least offer to cover your half. You will find a guy turns down your offer and pays anyway, so you need to have that counter offer ready, which shows that you aren't taking him for a ride. Keep secrets secret. Men feel hurt when they find out you've shared their secrets with your friends. Remember, ladies, men don't have the same heart-to-heart conversations like we have with our girlfriends. So when they confide in you, they are doing so with great responsibility and trust. So when they find out that Katie knows all about his embarrassing secret, he's going to close off and refuse to share intimate moments with you again. Don't be nasty about their exes. Oh my God, wow, you dated her. Whew. Men want you to know that despite the reason for the breakup, there was a time where she was a big deal in his life. And the digs about his ex makes you look more unattractive as you are unable to accept that he once had a life before you guys got together.